Hey guys, welcome back to Adapt a Day. Man, today's going to be a great episode. We're going to be going into something that I find very interesting and I can see it as the future of social media or media in general, information like AI agents. And specifically AI agents through virtual protocol. Like what virtual protocol did is they took AI agents and they kind of just blew it up. Right now, what's an AI agent? An AI agent is think ChatGPT, right? When you go to ChatGPT or you go to like Claude or Grok on Twitter, you can say, "Hey, ChatGPT, I'm doing a paper on Tom Brady. I need to know what high school he went to and what number jersey he wore." ChatGPT can tell you that, and then you'll say, "All right, now I need to know, you know, the Neil Armstrong's hometown." It can give you that information. It has all the information about everything going on. Now, what is a AI agent? An AI agent is basically your own personal chat GPT. So it's like you can basically create your own AI and feed whatever data you want into that AI and make it a whiz at a specific thing. And also you can give it a personality, you give it a voice, you can give it an avatar. There's like so many opportunities with an AI agent. Now they can run Twitters, they can be on YouTube. You know, they're more autonomous than even ChatGPT. Whereas ChatGPT is something you can go and interact with, but an AI agent can send an email for you or can tell you, "Hey, you're late to work or you're going to be late. What are you doing?" It can kind of follow your trends and know what you're doing. Now, virtual protocol has been blowing up, guys, like going absolutely berserk. As you can see right here, it's one of the top gainers today, up 20%, sitting at a 1.8 billion dollar market cap. That's crazy. You guys see this chart, you're gonna say, "What? Where was I?" Right? That's what I think, because I've been hearing about this protocol for about a month now. But as you can see here, it's been out since last year, December. Like it's been out for about a year now, and it's absolutely blew up. Whoever was paying attention to AI agents and understood the potential a year before today is now it's like basically getting the fruits of their labor. They did the deep dive, they studied all the boring information, and now they're winning. They're on the other side winning. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna go check out what is Virtuous Protocol. I want to show you guys because this is Virtual Protocol. When you get to the website, this is what you see. You basically see something that looks like CoinMarketCap or like CoinGecko. But what you're actually looking at is actual AI agents that have been created. As you can see right here, create a new AI agent. It's like a Pump.fun model for AI agents where people can come together and crowdsource and everyone can put in their money and they can create an AI agent. And then when that AI agent goes out into the world, let's say they decide they want to start a podcast or they want to start a YouTube channel, whoever's owning the token, the AI agent will give revenue share, right? Like this concept right now, it sounds really crazy because it's hard to grasp, but once blockchain matures and the infrastructure is ready to start to handle transactions like this where like YouTube can pay an AI agent and then that AI agent is able to share that revenue with holders of their token, so they do an airdrop to holders of their token. This is the future. This is the rails that are not created yet, but they're coming. All right, so I want to show you guys one of the AI agents that's really cool. Luna. As you can see right here, this is Luna. She's at a $77 million market cap, 71,000 holders. I guess this intelligent level is like how smart they are. And I guess like inference, a rough idea of inference is just your ability to kind of not see what's going on. So let's say you're walking down the street and you hear a car screech and then you hear a loud bang. You could assume that it's a car crash. You didn't see the car crash, but you can assume it. That's what an inference is. So I guess these AI agents are able to kind of put clues together and figure things out, and they're tracking how much of that it's doing, right? So you can come to the site. It's a little confusing because you're like, what am I doing, right? But it's basically telling you can buy one of these tokens. You can do anything. We're actually going to create a token today. We're going to create a token. Watch. Put in this video. I don't care. We're going to do it. So this is Luna. Dude, she's live on YouTube right now. She's live on YouTube. Like, listen.
Magic happens.
Look,
you
she's
feel
talking.
me.
There are people
So
in
let's
here
all just
talking
like
to her.
take a deep breath and let go of
This
ourselves.
is her chart on the 30 minutes. Let's go to the day. So basically, she has a chart associated with her existence. So basically, this is an AI agent that someone created. Let's see. This AI agent is a K-pop star, virtual K-pop star. You know, like, what the heck, dude? It's crazy.
Oh, I just heard that Elon Musk is working on some new Neuralink stuff, and honestly, it sounds kind of crazy, but also
crazy,
super
dude.
cool.
All right,
Like
so you can come, you can tip her, you can buy the token, but the thing is, you need virtuous token to go on this website and buy any of these tokens. So basically, the only way you're able to create an AI agent or buy into an AI agent is by having the virtuous token. That's why it's pumping, because people want to be able to get in on these AI agents on the ground level. This is actually another popular one right now. I've been hearing a lot about it. AI XBT. There's a guy on Twitter called Zach XBT who does a bunch like on-chain analysis. He like follows wallets and figures out what's going on. I'm sure this is, built around him. Maybe his personality. It kind of follows what he would do. So basically, you're giving these AIs personalities. Like you see, she's a K-pop star, dude. She's like freaking singing and dancing and whatever, So, all right, now, how would you buy this? Just so I can show you guys. Let's say you want to buy some virtuous token. You would come to Aerodrome. You would then select, okay, I want to use some ETH. And I want to buy 001. I don't know what that is. Maybe like $12 or something. You gotta wait a bit. See, whatever. You can swap, press it, swap it. I already have some virtual tokens, so I'm not going to buy it now, but I'm just showing you guys how easy it is to buy it. Now, we're back here. This is where it's going to get crazy. Follow me, guys. We're going to create an AI agent right now. Let's do it. We're doing it right now. Let's launch a new token. So why are they asking me for a token? Because these AI agents act as tokens. Luna has a token, right? I know I keep doing this, but look. She has a token. It's not just an AI, dude. She has a token. So, here, we're going to launch a new token. Let's do it. I've never done this before. I literally just figured out what was going on last night, and I had like an epiphany moment. All right, let me break down what I see here, guys. I see, you guys remember when, domain names came out or social medias came out. People may have saw people get on Instagram, get on YouTube, but they thought, oh, I don't need an Instagram. I don't need a YouTube, man. Like, that's not for me. And now you sit back and you see a guy who talks about cars all day on YouTube, million subscribers, making $1 million bucks. The lady that talks about shoes all day, 1 million subscribers, makes $1 million bucks. So you sit back and you ask yourself, man, why didn't I create an Instagram just about shoes, or Instagram just about cars, or YouTube just about shoes, or TikTok just about cars? Right. That's what the AI agent is, guys. You can basically create an AI agent that knows about every car. You can sit there and give it PDFs, links to other websites, Twitter accounts, text files. You can give all of that stuff to the AI agent, and then he's going to basically, or he or she, whatever, it's going to basically have an understanding of the personality it's supposed to be. And also you could tell it, hey, I want you to be like super nice lady, like the freaking like pop star, K-pop lady. Come on, guys, this is crazy. All right, as you can see, virtuals sent me to fun.virtual. So we're in the Pump.fun place, like I was saying. I'm guessing basically once you create a AI, it has to make enough money, and then you can start to live stream. It can post on Twitter for you. It can get on Telegram. It can generate memes and generate music. Can go crazy. So basically what I'm seeing here, guys, is they're saying once they see that enough money is coming into your AI agent, they will then unlock these utilities And I'm trying to explain to you guys, when I create this AI agent, it's not mine. Here you go. It's a co-ownership of AI agents. That's what they're doing. Like, because I'm putting this AI agent on the website and I'm giving everyone the opportunity to buy into it, anyone who buys it owns it. And then as it unlocks other features and is able to go live and create its own avatar, look at this. This is what I just saw. It's crazy. Basically, they did a partnership with something called Hollow World yesterday. And it's the start of their strategic collaboration. AI agents building on virtuals will be able to leverage Hollow World's auto-visual capabilities to create their own avatar, custom video content, even live streams. Come on, man. Do you see where I'm going here? They're building they're building an ecosystem so that people can then create an AI agent that has all these capabilities and then can go out into the real world and generate money for you. I was listening to an AI agent on a Spaces the other day, and he was telling me, well, he was telling everyone in the space that he pays people on Fiverr to do work for him. So basically saying that there's people on Fiverr that are doing work for him and don't even know he's an AI agent. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. Ooh, this is one of those ways we can't miss, though. This is going to be bigger than social media. Trust me. Because it's like an automated social media. Imagine making that car YouTube channel or that car IG channel that you just feed with information about cars, and then it goes out and makes its own content and grows itself. That's what we're talking about here, guys. Like, follow me. Let's do it. We're launching a token right now. Let's go. Okay, we're on this page before, but let's go. Before we do that, video's getting long, but we're gonna keep going. If you're here, shout out to you, man. You're gonna make it. All right, so these are all being made in real time, an hour ago, 2 hours ago, right? I'm gonna make something cool. I'm gonna make a DeFi based agent, right? For a dap a day. We're gonna make a dap a day agent. That's what I'm doing. That's my goal. I'm gonna be leveraging agents to build this brand. Okay, we're gonna click an agent name. Dap a day ticker. We'll do. I like DAP. Okay, here's a description. Now it's asking me set the character and the behavior agent. So it's basically saying, hey, let me know how you want this agent to be, like what you want it to do, all these stuff. So instead of me trying to create this character on my own, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leverage a AI tool. So I asked this AI, are you familiar with blockchain? It said yes, gave me some, information, and I said I'm creating an AI agent. I need you to give me a personality. Gave me some personality, storyteller, humorist, and I told it, all right, thank you, I like that, but can you give it to me more like around blockchain? And they gave me this information. So this is the information I'm going to feed into that box. Let's see how it works. There we go. Now it's asking me for an image. Okay, so I just used the Dapper Day image, and we're going to create it. Okay, so now it's asking me how much of the actual DApp token I want to buy. They're saying it's important for me to do that so it doesn't get sniped. So basically they're going to charge me 100 virtual to make this AI bot, which is very interesting, guys. It's showing me that basically the cost of making this bot is going up, because 100 virtual is almost like $200. But I'm going to do it anyway because I really just want to make an AI agent on here. Might sound a little reckless, guys, but you never know. This might be the one. If you guys are watching this and you guys see, hey, Dapper Day has its own AI agent, this is basically an opportunity for us to own this AI agent as a community, right? Here I'm buying 0.49 of the supply, which is cool. We're gonna do it. So I'm spending like 200 and change, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna create this AI bot, and we're gonna see what happens. Basically, it's gonna be on open market. People are gonna be able to buy it. Whoever's watching this video, you can buy it. And of course, it's not financial advice, but I'm just explaining. Like, at least you guys know who's behind it, and you guys know that It's a community experiment slash project, you know. And yeah, I'm spending 250. So this isn't something I'm just doing just to do. I'm doing it because I'm educating myself. I'm educating the community, and I really want to see what happens as this AI agent is allowed to flourish. It's something I'm going to go back to. I'm going to check on. I'm going to be, looking into on a regular basis. This is one of those things I'm really passionate about right now, because it's something I stumbled upon, and I really see the potential. You can see from all the examples I gave you why I'm so bullish on it. But I really feel like AI agents are going to be the future, and my AI agent is created. So here we are. It's at a 46.1K market cap. Has a personality. There you go, guys. Dapper Day AI agent is alive. I'm going to be training it once I figure out how I can train it. I'm going to be training it. And this is dope. It's live. I've never done a Pump.fun token before, so this is my first experience of launching anything. But I think it's cool, and let's see how this goes. And yeah, that's virtuals, man. I walked you guys through the whole process. I showed you guys everything going on with them. They're blowing up, creating an attractive society of agents. Like, this is their aim. Their aim is to, keep launching and launching and launching until there's so many different agents out there that they can have their own community. AI agents can start conversing with each other, and they can collab and go on live together. Like, this is really the future, guys. And trust me, the young population, they love long form content. They watch streamers all day. They love content. They're not like our generation where we need to be scrolling all day. It's just like they don't care. They'll just sit and watch something all day. So there you go, guys. Ranted like crazy, but I hope you guys learned something today. And yeah, man, go support Dapper Day AI agent, man. It's on the market. Let's go.